Good day, my name is Fanshan Zhang, and here is my video reflection for our class, which is Responsible Business Professionalism. So here I will discuss my key ways from class and how I can apply what I have learned in my day-to-day and professional life. At the start of the course, I did not really know what to expect, although the theme of the course caught me attention, which was a responsible business professionalism. So I thought it was about how I could present myself as a professional in a corporate setting. I had very little knowledge of the topic, so I assumed that being a professional at work was simple. If you follow rules and treat people with respect, you are doing good as a professional in class. We were presenting with different examples of unethical practices. I was under the impression that pleasing my managers or superiors was the goal, as in my culture, this kind of respect is expected. But then, this made me look back on my previous experience. People are not unprofessional when they speak up against injustice or when they just disagree with something. It is also important to live our values, even if this is against a particular work hierarchy. One impactful lesson that I want to highlight in this reflection of my learnings in this class is the stakeholder theory. One needs to learn about the responsible, and they have not just to shareholders but also to stakeholders. This means companies and the people working for these companies should also know the size of employees, customers, communities, as well as the environment. So this has greatly renewed my perspective because it helped me realize that business decisions do not just affect a business and its owner, but also its stakeholders. As a professional, it's not just about pleasing the employer, but delivering results that adhere to the long-term needs of the stakeholders. So applying what I have learned from stakeholder theory, I now better understand that creating value in business goes far beyond just satisfying shareholders. It's about building sustainable relationships with all the key stakeholders. This broader view will shape how I approach marketing approach in my future career. As someone aspiring to work in marketing at P&G, I will use stakeholder thinking to develop campaigns that not only boost brand awareness and sales, but also align social values and consumer experience. For example, when promoting a product, I will consider how the messaging affects consumers' trust, supports responsible sourcing, and addresses environmental sustainability. Rather than viewing marketing solely as a persuasion, I will treat it as a platform for stakeholder engagement and long-term brand equity. In practice, I would aim to work on purpose-driven campaigns like PMG, Like a Girl initiative, which address real social issues while delivering business value. Stakeholder theory has shown me that long-term success comes from balancing different interests, and that exactly the mindset I will carry into my role. This class has helped me learn more about myself. It has also taught me to stand up and believe in my capability to change things and to create a positive impact in the workplace. Thank you.